Hi guys, in a previous video we took you through the activation of all the plugins that we installed from the other video. So in this video we are going to be setting up some special plugins. So the first thing we want to do is to import the demo content. As you can see, this website, I'm refreshing the page. Okay, so here's what we have. Nothing. So I'm just going to import the demo content, and to do that I would need the one-click demo import plugin, which I activated, and that is found under appearance. It's found under appearance. As you can see, import demo data. So I'm going to scroll down. Here are the two types of demo content that I have available on the WP team directory. So this is quite easy. So I'm just going to click this import button, and then I'm done importing. So this is going to be importing all posts, dummy text, settings, and every other thing, okay, that you could have found on the live preview. Okay, so it says we are done, and it's telling us we can as well delete. See, it's saying that we are done and saying we can go ahead to deactivate the plugin. Okay, so but we'll be coming back to that. And mind you, there are different ways you can import demo content. For this, it's looking like you could just press a button. For others, you might need to switch to manual import. This is a situation where you will look for an XML file. In this section, you look for a JSON file. In this section, and you look for a DAT file in this section before you import the demo data. Okay, so and some we even have the options of you indicating that you want to import all the media as well. So the more you work on different websites, the more you get to be familiar with how to import demo content for various kind of themes that we have. So let us now go to our front end and see what happens. Take a quick look. Okay, so by the time I refresh this page, here is what you are going to have. Okay, good. Remember, when we scrolled down and up, we didn't have this. We didn't have all these categories. Okay, all these images or whatever, we didn't have them. On latest news, as it were called, we didn't have this. And then look at this demo product here, we didn't have them. Okay, so we didn't have them. Hot deals, we didn't have them. Everything here, it was not there. It was after we did the demo import that all this came alive. The essence of the demo importer is so that it can set up, it helps you to set up your e-commerce website quickly. Because imagine you trying to figure out if you should create all this arrangement. Imagine figuring out if you should do these columns like this and naming them uncategorized latest products and popular products. It's going to be a lot of back and forth thinking. So but with this, you import the demo content, and then you can now start customizing it to how you want. This is your WhatsApp chat. Anybody who clicks this button goes to chat you up on WhatsApp, but we are going to set this very soon. So basically, this is the end of this video on how to import your demo content. See you in another video.